Hey everyone, Mark with the Stevenson team here to invite you to come check out our newest listing in Eastvale. It is 7951 Port Arthur Drive. This 36 square foot home has complete with 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, and a loft. We just sold a model match down the street, went pretty quick. This one, just like the other one, granite you see here in the kitchen, nice basin case throughout, not a thread of carpeting in the entire house. You have laminate upstairs, tile downstairs. Outside you have a patio that really extends the entire length of the house, offering you a lot of privacy with some built-in lighting, a nice big side yard, and even out front you have a nice little courtyard to relax. Come check this one out.